Okay, hello everyone, and my name is Loo Hui, and today my topic for my research methodology is Chinese orchestra, and yes, this is my title. And as for the introduction, Chinese orchestra is one of the Chinese traditional performances and also considered as a music ensemble which performs with Chinese traditional musical instruments. And recently, the Chinese orchestra has turned into a dying tradition due to students' lack of interest and passion. So, I do this research is to investigate how people preserve the Chinese orchestra tradition in this modern era and how we maintain this tradition efficiently. Okay, and for the second one is the literature review. According to Eileen Tan in her 2024 thesis, the Chinese orchestra was set in four main active regions, which is Taiwan, Hong Kong, mainland China, Malaysia, and Singapore. In short, Hong Kong called it Zhongyue, which means music to Chinese, whereas Singapore and Malaysia renamed it Huayue, translating to Chinese ethnicity music. In China was settled with the word Mingyue, which translates to people's music. At last, we have Taiwan, who called it nation's music by using the word Guoyue. And for the next one, as highlighted by Samuel Wong Shengmiao in his 29 thesis, it is found that the name of Chinese orchestra named in the four main regions was combined to form the word 中华民国. 中华民国. And this is, according to Yuan Wang, the Chinese orchestra had also undergone a change since 1949, as it started to blend into the impact of modern technology on traditional Chinese orchestra, along with the new instruments and the consequent changes in performance style, which it highlighted how the fusion of Chinese and Western musical elements in modern orchestras nowadays have shaped the Chinese orchestra in the modern era. As for my problem statement, many Chinese orchestras has been modified or standardized to maintain their unique tonal qualities and playing techniques. For example, the instruments, especially for the erhu, have a limited range and dynamics, has been redesigned with improved materials to project a wider tonal range. In a negative way, this had caused an argument on how the Chinese orchestra clashed with the need to modernize for border function and with the desire to preserve its culture and tradition. And for the next one is research question and research objective. My research question is how can people nowadays preserve the Chinese orchestra tradition in this modern era? And as for the research objective is to explore the opportunities that can help to promote the culture of Chinese orchestra. The significance of studying this topic is to understand how Chinese orchestras function as a medium for preserving and transmitting traditional music in the modern world. And also, this study can show how traditional instruments, repertoire, and performance practices are adapted in the orchestra setting. By documenting these processes, the study contributes to the preservation of intangible cultural heritage, especially in an era where traditional music is increasingly under threat from cultural homogenization. And for my methodology, I had used the quantitative correlational design, which my participants is aiming 20 students who participate in Chinese orchestra with different levels and playing different instruments. And I will be using online questionnaire, which was the Google form. And this is my survey focus to the students who participated in this online questionnaire. And so this is my references. And so thank you.